What's up, everybody? Welcome back. It's Adam Lee, and I got Free Mother with me.
Hey, y'all.
Today, I got another good one for you today. We are making barbecue wings, vegan barbecue wings to be exact, made out of cauliflower. And we're also making sweet potato fries. Of course, we gotta give you all of our ingredients so that you know what we're making. We're still vegans, going strong. I hope you watched our last two videos. We made vegan nachos, and then we also made a nice vegan Parmesan pasta.
Yes.
Awesome meals.
Great.
I am finding out that we're having such a great time. I'm still eating healthy, but also eating good food, good tasting food that does not have meat or dairy in it. So, y'all, if you wanna try it, try out the meals, give it 30 days, see what happens.
Yes. Day 8.
I feel good. Per usual, we got to give you all of our ingredients because we want you to have a good time making, but also know what you need, right? Of course, you're going to see all these ingredients in the description. What we got today?
All right, so we have our head of cauliflower for our wings. For our batter, we're going to be using some flour, a cup of cashew milk, adobo, paprika, onion powder, black pepper, garlic powder. And so we're also, to add the extra crisp, we're going to be using some Panko breadcrumbs. For our barbecue sauce, we're going to be using some sugar-free barbecue sauce, and we're going to add a touch of agave to add in the sweetness. For our sweet potato fries, we have 2 sweet potatoes, of course, with some paprika, black pepper, adobo, and garlic powder.
All right, y'all, let's get started. So just a heads up, make sure you preheat the oven to 450. Got it? All right, guys, so what we decided to do was, of course, we got to break them up and put them in the bowl, as you see my wife doing so wonderfully.
Now you can see Adam is adding in a cup of flour, some adobo. We got some garlic powder, whole lot of that, some paprika,
and onion powder.
Can't forget the onion powder. And we're going to add in some black pepper. Once we put all these ingredients in, we're going to whisk it together to make our batter.
We're such a great team, honey.
We are. We are great.
So after I whisked it together, I added the cashew milk.
That was a cup.
A cup of cashew milk.
Yes. Unsweetened plain cashew milk, to be exact. As you can see, we're now dipping the cauliflower in the wet batter. And then once we're done that, we're going to move it around in the panko breadcrumbs to make it more crispy.
This is the messy part. And don't forget to bake this first batch for about 25 minutes. The next part was I cut up the sweet potatoes for my wife. She suggested that I peel it first, but I didn't think it was necessary, and it proved to be a little harder than expected. So I chopped them up and tried to make them look like French fries. So we're making sweet potato fries, remember?
We're going to put just a little bit of avocado oil to help with the crisp when we put it in the air fryer. Then we're going to season it with some adobo and some onion powder and garlic powder. Just give it a little flavor. And some paprika. Then we're going to mix it all together. Make sure all your potatoes are coated really well with the oil and the seasoning. And here you can see we put it in the air fryer pan. Make sure it's all in one layer so it can fry as best as possible. Alright, now we're making our barbecue sauce. Mixing it with a little agave for the sweetness, and then we're going to mix it all together.
So at this point now we are coating the cauliflower to make it look like barbecue wings, and you're making sure that you're coating it on all sides and placing them back into the pan so you can bake it, of course, for another 20 minutes. Alright, y'all, so the moment of truth is here. We got our barbecue cauliflower, vegan, of course. It looks like barbecue chicken, don't it?
Look at that.
See that? And then my wife has her barbecue cauliflower with her sweet potato fries. Alright? So this meal took a little bit of time, but it's just the extra work that you got to put into it.
Yeah.
But I still think it's worth it. So
that I was not prepared for.
So I also used vegan ranch. I found this at Whole Foods. Vegan ranch from, I think the brand is Daya.
I think so. Oh, my ranch is on the side, y'all. Sorry.
That's pretty good.
Yeah. Pretty good. It'll almost fool you until you taste the cauliflower.
Barbecue cauliflower. Vegan barbecue chicken.
That's not bad at all.
So y'all, give it a try. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. I appreciate that. Help us reach the masses. Last thing, please don't forget to give someone a hug. Tell them you love them. Tell them how much you care. Because that might be the only time they hear it. I love y'all for watching. Thank y'all for supporting us always. Alright, we'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.